Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by quickly inspecting the run to find rot, leaning posts, broken rails, and loose fasteners. Once done, mark each damaged element so you can prioritize replacements. You need those specific materials and tools because wood joins fail at fasteners and post integrity. Replacing fasteners only delays failure. Make sure to protect nearby plants and set aside 30-60 minutes per damaged section. This early triage saves time and helps you decide whether to repair or fully replace a post. You now remove the compromised pieces in order: panels, rails, then posts if needed. Use a pry bar and saw to avoid splitting surrounding boards. When replacing a post, dig below frost line or at least 2 feet, compact 6-8 inches of gravel, set the post plumb, and brace until concrete cures. This prevents future lean. Next, fit new rails and panels, checking level and spacing. Tighten galvanized fasteners to resist corrosion. These small steps ensure strength and longevity. To finish, cut posts to match fence height, sand and treat cut wood with preservative, and paint or stain for weather resistance. Make sure each panel aligns visually, tighten or add brackets where gaps appear. Once done, test by applying moderate pressure to confirm stability. If you still see sagging or movement, recheck post depth and cured concrete. Sometimes you must sister a post or replace it entirely. A key troubleshooting tip: if joints loosen repeatedly, upgrade to larger posts and galvanized hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.